Menteri Tnat pule putih rak kame sangma ke sengi baar la pentip ba ke Tnat kalapa ke Tyrwa sya ke Tnat pela Tyngka ban menjur lem ha ke ban Kyntiew ke Tulop jongki palat khat as pa angot ki Nongtrei ke SSA non-teaching staff. Haba kren ba kinong thok kubor ura kam ula pentip ba ke kenhun kinong lam ke All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association AMSSANTSA kilawani kendu yu ban kren halor kene ke kam. Ulong baha kajing shisha ke Tnat kala depa ya kajing Tyrwa bat ka file kala don bat ke Tnat finance bat ki kam kila yat menta bat dang up ba kin pendep. Menteri dang ba kajela utip ha ya ki kam bayat bat insale ya ke badan kam balak melenti ba ke Tnat finance kan seshim ya kerai ke badan kam.
Non-SSA demands, yeah, they have met me today just now and we have discussed. It was very fruitful discussion. The file we have from the department we have already proposed, and the file is with the finance department, and the process is on, and we are waiting the things to be completed. And the Honorable Chief Minister is aware of this development, and will do the needful. And we are expecting the finance department will take a necessary decision on this. So this may not be 30% or 50% or any percent, but that I don't have. So maybe as per the financial strength that the state does have, we will definitely will do the needful, as because the demand is very genuine. So I don't think so. We have appealed to them. We have requested them. Agitation and the protest is not the solution. But since yes, sometimes it does make that somebody listen faster. So since the government is already aware and the government is already listened, and the department and the government is already taken note of all this.